Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 1981 to 1993 Ram 150. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift your truck's cab or bed, depending on configuration. Move any brake or fuel lines. Uninstall the carrier bearing. Step 3. Cut off the factory rivets holding the crossmember. Clear the rivet holes with a hammer and punch. Repair the frame rail if necessary. Step 4. Paint the crossmember prior to installation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 5. Align the replacement crossmember using the rivet holes. Use the included M10 hardware and a 15mm socket and wrench to install the crossmember. Finally, paint the hardware with rust inhibitor. Reinstall any wires, brackets, clips, or lines in the area.